Moving on, speaker number 2. Question. Did you know that one horse by itself can pull about 12,000 pounds? Nay. But the two, they don't necessarily pull 2,400 pounds. They actually can pull about 3,000 pounds. Power of a good synergy. Our next speaker here shows us what happens when 1 plus 1 equals more than 2. Please welcome Toastmaster Gary Adams with his speech, the math of meaning. Not very good at math.
Very good at math.
We're reading everything.
Good morning, Toastmasters.
Good morning.
Have you ever been in a situation where you felt like you gave your all, kind of walked away feeling less? Like somehow in trying to help, you ended up feeling drained. Not from doing the wrong thing, but maybe from doing the right thing in the wrong equation. I've been thinking a lot lately. Not just about people, but about math. Now, not the kind of math you hated in school, Kelly. Not fractions or geometry, but the math of energy, the math of interaction. Let's say I'm a 1. You're a 1 too. So together we're 1 plus 1 equals 2, right? Simple. Except not really. Because people aren't numbers. We're more like batteries, we're reflections, we're charge. But sometimes when 2 people come together, it doesn't feel like 2. Sometimes it feels like less than 2. So the real math ends up 1 plus 0 equals 1. Or even worse, 1 plus minus 1 equals 0. So let me tell you a little story. There's this traveler walking up on this cold mountain pass. He sees this small cabin, smoke's rising. He walks up, knocks, the door opens, there's a fire burning inside. The man inside smiles, "Come in, warm yourself." The traveler steps in, puts his hands out to the fire. He sits. He doesn't really say anything. He doesn't offer anything, and eventually he falls asleep by the flames. When he wakes up, the man is gone. The fire is out. The cabin's cold again. Because what that traveler didn't realize is that fires don't keep burning just because you're near them. They burn when both people bring wood. See, I've been that guy with a fire many times. And I've let people in, not out of obligation, but out of hope. Hope that if I let them in, if I gave warmth, they would turn and say, "Let me add to this, let me help this grow." Sometimes they did. And when that happened, that's when I learned the real math. 1 plus 1 can actually equal 3. Not just 2 people, but this energy created between them. Resonance, momentum, you give, they give, and the energy between you grows, becomes vibrant. Now, I'm not saying don't give. You know, sometimes helping others is just the right thing. Sometimes you give your 1, and what fills you back up is just the act of giving itself. But we all need to be honest with that math. If we keep giving our 1 away to others who don't reflect it, if we keep lighting fires that no one else feeds, eventually we burn out. That's not noble. That's not heroic. It's unsustainable. What I've learned is this. I'm still that guy that wants to build those fires. But I am no longer the guy that forgets to check to make sure that other person brought wood. I'm still a 1. But now I'm looking for other ones who are ready. Ready to give, ready to reflect, ready to build 3. Because 1 plus 1 equaling 2, it's fine. It's a transaction. But 1 plus 1 equaling 3, that is transformation, purpose, potential. So maybe, the next time you might be wondering why you feel so tired, ask yourself, did I just give my charge away to someone who didn't reflect it? Or better yet, what could happen if I saved that charge and gave it to someone who did? Because I really believe this. The world doesn't just need more givers. It needs more builders of 3. Thank you.